Welcome on in to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etelk beside me, the Ancient One, my name is Cass, the Cosmic Being, Everin Ryu, the Galactic Shaman, and we are here to tend your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies to your highest path. Now let's get into your weekly light body collaboration and see what your light body is focusing on. Let's see here. I am. You're focusing on your I am frequency. Your light body is accepting yourself as you are, which your light body does accept itself as you are. And this is something that physically you here right now are understanding to accept that you are a divine spark of light. This is your large I am presence. This is the understanding you are God. You are the universe. You are not only the observer, you are also the creator. So this is a huge tap in of frequencies. Let's see who is assisting you with understanding that you are not only creating but the creator. You are not only experiencing, but you are the being that is scripting the experience. So let's see what frequency, what energy is being upgraded at this time. Cities of light. So this has a lot to do with Mount Shasta, which is the root chakra of our beautiful planet. This has to do with inner earth. This is allowing a sense of security, a sense of safety in knowing that you are creating your reality, and knowing that you are universe, you are observer and experiencer, all bundled up in one. And they're showing me that there was a time where you understood this, but you did not feel safe in this concept. There was fear of your power. There was fear of your growth. It was easier at that time to understand someone else is writing the script for you and you are merely playing it out. Now you understand, and that is what this week is about, which perfectly aligns with Capricorn in full moon, that you are the boss of your soul contracts. You are the being that is not only choosing what experience to have, but the one delegating the experiences to choose from. So that's massive. Let's see what chakra this is activating by tapping into your I am source, by tapping in. This makes so much sense. The sacral chakra, this is your second chakra. It is orange, very much like this beautiful, energetic, solar looking visual. It's also known to be connected with your kundalini, that activation of raising your energy from your lower chakras. And just like it says on the card, core of creation, it is all about creating, which if you are understanding, you are not only the one creating experiences, you are the creator of your life, your soul experiences. This is a huge activation of that sacral chakra. So utilizing orange throughout your week can really assist in tapping into this frequency. Checking out your Mars placements. Mars is connected to taking action and that physical of doing. So it's interesting that sacral is being activated, because now you're connecting to that I am presence, and it's saying I am creator. I am the light that is within and the light that is external. I am all of my creations that I am creating. Beautiful connections. Check out your Mars placements though, whether it be sidereal or tropical or even both, to see how they intermingle with one another. Let's see what being is assisting you in your I am presence in that sacral chakra activation. Indigo child. So whether you are an indigo child, a being, or you are of that indigo ray, that has a lot to do with your third eye. So there is a new perception in the way that you are creating things and what you have already created. There is a sense of tapping into, again, there's that actions, tapping into your actions and pouring in your actions more into the community. Indigo beings, this can be someone in your community that is assisting with your own personal creations. This can also be someone that is very aware of how they create their life, and that perception is beginning to open up your perception of what you can create. So that is magnificent, that the indigo being, whether it be an activation of your own rainbow ray, because that is the 6th rainbow ray of the light frequencies, are indigo beings. Whether it be your own DNA being activated and having this rebirth from that sacral chakra, or you know of an indigo being around you, it's magnificent that it is assisting in amplifying your light and amplifying the goddess within you. Let's check out some self-care to integrate into this shift for this week, especially with, I keep getting Aquarius frequency. With the age of Aquarius and the full moon activation, I feel as though community is a large aspect, and how you express your business, your passion, your actions, it's really influencing what you're listening to. It's influencing not only the thoughts, but the plans that you are taking to create. And this will make a little bit more sense with this card. The sound of the universe. We have the Sri Lanka right here under this face. We also have this fairy cross star as well above the head. There is this immense light activation, and it's through sound frequencies. So what I absolutely love about this is the words that you speak into the universe, the thoughts that you think about, the collective people that you are talking with, the things that you are creating. They are all amplified and showing you what the universe has in store with you. They're all interconnected, and they're really, what I'm gathering here is that this light from within, there is a sense that it was separate from the universe, and now this week is amplifying that it is not separate, because it is the universe quite literally speaking through your vessel, and the universe is speaking through the collective. The universe is speaking through every single thing that you create and every person and experience that you take action with. So it is fascinating how it's all tying together. And I am getting a huge download that the indigo beings, the indigo children, indigo people, whether it be 1, 2, or 3, they all had a huge heart awakening, and they awakened others' heart chakras. And thus now this sacral chakra is coming in union with the heart, and now what you are making is no longer of mass production. There was a sense that you know how to create. But this week, you're creating from the heart space. You're creating from that I am presence. You're creating from not just quantity and production, but quality and perseverance. And they're giving me prosperity. You're very prosperous with whatever creations that are being made, because they are coming from a heart space, and they're quite literally intended to shift the realities to a higher frequency. Wow, that is amazing. So, reminder, accept yourself as you are. There are many pieces to who you are, because you are expansive like the universe, because you are the universe. These cities of light, connect with your family, and this is not family that you were born in. This is the family that your light expands when you are around, when you hear their words, when you experience moments with them. Your light can be physically accessed. These are the beings that are meant to be interacting with you this week. Make sure to work with your sacral chakra, work with that orange ray of energy and light. Also, your Mars, check out what your Mars sits in and work with that element. Indigo energy. So now your third eye and other beings that are indigo children, they are assisting you in this process. And this could be a humanesque figure. This could not be a humanesque figure. This could be a different being that is of the indigo ray. So be mindful of who is inspiring a new perspective change. And check in on how your microverse, your universe, is in perfect alignment with the macroverse, the entire universe, because that is just reaffirming that you are God, universe, and everything bundled into one amazing soul that is not only choosing a beautiful path, but is creating the choices you get to choose from. So that is spectacular. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for walking the wisdom path with me today. Keep tending to your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star, earth seeds. And I am so appreciative that we get to encounter this journey together and to be your guide. Reminder is that we are always being human with spirit. Let's break away from this reading. Please take what resonates and leave anything that is not of for your use. Tend your seeds, trust your light, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.